2021 was a special year. It's really complicated to travel, but it's not impossible. My name is Kevin, alias Speedscape on the networks, and today I bring you with me in my biggest travel of my years in Harvard. For begin the trip, let's go in the airports of Montreal, direction Calgary. The first step when we arrive in Calgary is take the car, and now we can ride to Banff. It's the first national park of the Canada. There are between 4 and 5 million visitors. It's really impressive. So for the first half of the trip, we sleep in the Can Mall. The first day is the raining day. It's so bad. So we go in the Banff village just for chill, visit, take some picture, take some video, just chilling day. For the first step, we decide to go in the Lakelands. Everyone knows the Lakelands. It's so famous. You can see the picture in Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, everywhere. It's really impressive. But we decide to go really early for see the sunrise. Because the sunrise on the Lakelands is impressive. But we wake up at 6 a.m, we take the car and we arrive at 6:30, and we see this. Yeah, so sad, just the smoke. So come back to the car, take the small breakfast, small coffee, take the shoes, and it's time to go to the hiking. On the walk of 20 kilometers, the first stop is the Mirror Lake. Look at this, it's really special. It's around we have the forest, the mountain, and in the water you can see a lot of things, but in reverse. Yeah, it's crazy. And the next step is the Lac Agnes. The Lac Agnes is so famous with the tea shop, with the view, and this view is really insane because we are just on the top of the cloud. After a small shooting break in Lac Agnes, it's time to go in the last step for going to the top of the volcano, just the peak behind. We have decided to eat here, and we see a lot of cloud for my biggest pleasure. But when we eat, we just wait something like 1 hour, and after 1 hour, look at this. All the clouds go out, and we see all the Lake Louise, the Thermons. We can see all of this. It's really insane in just 1 hour. And now it's time to come back in the park. But we decided to take another way. We take a way to see the plain of 6 glaciers. It's crazy because we have seen all the day all the forest, but now we see this, just the rock and the ice. It's really different in the same place. And now, after just a small stop in the tea house, we decide to come back in the parking and in the Lake Louise. The Lake Louise at 4 p.m. is just a bad idea. There are so much people. For this small day, this day is small because the road is so long to go to Jasper. We make the stop in British Columbia in the Lagio and Tatakao Fall. When you park your car, it's just 10 minutes to walk, but the spectacle is just insane. Look at this. You feel like so small when you are just there. The Tatakao Fall, it's 300 meter. 300 meter. Just for the comparison, Niagara Falls, it's 57 meters. So, Tatakao Fall, it's really huge. It's the biggest fall in the Canada. The next stop of the day, it's the small lake, the Highland Lake in the mountain, just near the Tatakao Fall. But look at this. Like all the lake in British Columbia, it's blue. The color is emerald. It's just beautiful. And there are no one. We are alone all the time. We have just find 2 people. So if you want, you can sleep here in the camping. It's really cool. It's not really famous, but if you pass there, you need to stop there. It's time to go to the Jasper, the second part of the trip. Jasper is the biggest park of the Canadian mountain. For beginning the second part of the travel, we decide to do a really big hiking. We decide to climb the Mount Edith Carver. It's just 20 kilometers to walk and 1,600 elevation gain. Yeah, it's really big, but we can do this on this view. When you are there, you can see the valley, the glacier world, but also this. Yeah, it's the Angel Glacier. It's really crazy. And sometimes, when you are there, you can see the block of the glacier that fall in the lake. When I say the block, it's a really big block. The block of the side of the house. After this big hiking, we have a small challenge. Stupid challenge. Okay, it's not a small lake. It's really cool. You imagine? Now, we go inside. The price of the challenge is just a beer. Yeah, it's not something crazy, but I love challenge, so let's go inside. You can imagine that the best plan for the next day is find the lake, that it's more easy to bath inside. We began the day with visits the Malin Lake. The Malin Lake is so cute, and we decide for this to visit with the boats. We rent the big boats and just chill on the lake. day, direction of Pyramid Lake. For swim, relax, chill. And for this, we decide to go there in the sunset. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And now, for finish the trip, it's time to do the ice mode. This beautiful road is just inside the most beautiful road in the world. So we take one day, one entire day. It's 250 kilometers, so it's so long. Don't forget to put the gas in your car before, because in this world you have no city, no gas station, no shop, nothing. You are just alone with your car and other cars. And we finally arrived in Calgary. At the beginning we have planned one day in this city. I don't know, maybe it's because of the COVID, but it's a little regret because there are nothing to do in Calgary. We find nothing to do. We just do this tower with this view. But never mind, the travel is really crazy. We have some memories in mind, so I think we will come back later. It's obligatory. Thanks to see this video until the end. It's the first time that I do this type of the content, but not the last time, because I have some pleasure to do this. So I just need to say you one thing. Don't forget, stay is existing, but travel is live. Thanks for watching. Bye.